Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when no sound plays after you connect your earbuds with a phone. And firstly, restart your audio player. So if you listen to music in Apple Music or Spotify or maybe your browser, just remove this application from the cache and then open it again. Also, I recommend to check is your application have the last version. So go to the App Store or Google Play and check it and update if you haven't the last version. Now, if it didn't help you, the next step is to update software version on your earbuds. So to do this, open HONOR AI Space application. And if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see it at the device list. Tap on it and then go to update. Then at the bottom click check for updates, and check for updates. It said that I have the last software version. If you haven't, just install a new one. If it also didn't help you or you haven't new software version, next step is to restart your device. So I use this earbuds as a phone and I should restart my phone. If you use it with a tablet, restart your tablet. And the last one, if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, put your earbuds to the charging case and then do not close the case. You need to locate touch areas, located at the back side of each earbud. Here we have it, and right here. And you need to press and hold both of these touch areas for at least 10 seconds until this LED light start blinking red. So press and hold. Firstly, it entered to pairing mode, so it starts blinking white. You just keep holding these touch areas. And now we have a red LED light, so you can release your finger. Next, we need to remove these earbuds from the phone, so go to the settings and then to the Bluetooth or connected devices. Then at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds and forget the device. Forget device again. Now we need to reconnect these earbuds. So if you have Android, click pair new device at the top. And after factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically. So we should see it at the device list. But as you can see right now, mine don't want to. I guess this is because of new iOS. Yeah. So after that, you just tap at your earbuds at the device list, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.